The deadly coronavirus, COVID-19, has shuttered storefronts, brought some supply chains to a halt, and sent global financial markets plummeting. All across the world, markets are in correction, meaning they are down 10% or more from their 52-week highs. Korea 13%, France 13%, Hong Kong 14%, Germany 14%, and the S&P 500 13%. No one knows how long it will take to contain the virus, and some experts estimate it could be months until things return to business as usual.
This will take 8 to 9 months, I think, to roll its way through the markets and for the markets to re-rate.
But major drug companies are racing to develop vaccines and treatments to slow the spread of the virus. Biotech company Moderna is leading the vaccine race so far. The drug maker started to deliver its vaccine to national health officials, and human trials are scheduled to begin in April 2020. The vaccine was co-designed with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases after learning the coronavirus's genetic sequence in January. It's an incredibly fast turnaround for a vaccine's development, about 3 months. For comparison, it took about 20 months to develop a vaccine to the human testing phase during the SARS outbreak in 2002. Doctors and global health experts have tried to temper vaccine expectations, saying that even though this stage has gone quickly, reviewing test results and getting a vaccine deployed to the public could take many more months, or even years. Even so, Moderna shares have bucked the trend this week. They are up more than 25%, while the Dow has plummeted about 12% in the same time. Other drug companies are hurrying to develop various treatments for the coronavirus. The most promising, according to the World Health Organization, Gilead, and its drug remdesivir. That drug is already being tested at the epicenter of the outbreak in Wuhan, China, and Gilead is now expanding to other countries. 2 new clinical trials are set to begin in March 2020 and will involve about 1,000 patients across mostly Asian countries, according to the company. And the National Institute of Health announced on Tuesday that remdesivir will be tested in the U.S. on some patients being treated for the virus in Nebraska. Other drug makers, Vir Biotechnologies and Regeneron, are also working on new medicines to treat the virus.